Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Mailchimp for automated campaigns, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Mailchimp for automated campaigns, log into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have an account yet, visit the Mailchimp website and create one. Once logged in, click on the Campaigns tab on the main dashboard. In the top right corner, select the Create Campaign button. From the drop-down menu, choose Email. Next, select Automated to set up your automated campaign. You'll see various automation options. Now, click on Begin to set up your automation. Choose the audience you want to target with this campaign. Click on Edit Recipients to select your audience segment. Once you've confirmed your audience, click Save. Specify the trigger for your automated campaign by setting the trigger option. Enter a subject line that will grab attention. Customize the from name and email address to match your brand. Click on Design Email to create the content of your email. You can choose a pre-built template or start from scratch. Once in the design editor, add your personalized content, images, and links. After finalizing your design, click Save and Close. You will be taken back to the Automation Edit screen. Review the entire automation setup, ensuring that all details are correct. Finally, hit the Start Sending button to activate your automated campaign. Keep track of your campaign performance in the Reports section. Utilize this data to refine your future email campaigns for better results. That's how you set up an automated campaign in Mailchimp efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.